So fire. He may do many way. Oh, Abu Beta. He may do many way. He may do many way. Oh, Abu Beta. He may do many way. He may do many way. Oh, Abu Beta.
So, if you are from our local government, challenge any of them. When they come, what are you promising us? You promised before? Did you do it? No. Anybody who comes with promise, give him a promise. Not be so.
That's so.
Anybody who gives you project, you give him a vote. Not be so.
That's so.
So, there was the successor has been part of us. He knows where we started. He knows where we are ending. And he has told you he will continue from where we have ended. Don't go and say, let me test run. What are you test running?
Nothing,
Did it to test run anything again?
No way.
So, Chief Abusha has said, we are tired of waiting. Indeed, we are tired of waiting. But don't worry. You have been patient. Your being patient will not be taken for granted. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
The bell will still ring. The bell will still ring. And when you hear the bell, listen to where the bell is coming from. And go and do what you have been told to do. When you hear the bell, listen to where the bell is coming from. And I can assure you, all these Buccaneers, all these vampires, we will teach them a lesson.
That's so.
We will teach them a lesson.
That's so.
All those who say River State is not important, we will tell them River State is
important.
If you play with us,
we play with you.
Do you understand me? If they play with us,
we play with them.
Enough is
enough.
So let me apologize and plead with Oham. Local government. No going
back.
No amount of intimidation. In any case, who is there to intimidate us?
Nobody.
Who is there to intimidate us?
Nobody.
We have everything it requires to face them. We have everything it requires to face them. Do you understand them?
Yes, sir.
So feel big. Raise your shoulders high that you are from River State, that you live in River State, and we will decide what will happen in River State. No outsider. Forget these people for a porridge of yam. They can sell their mothers. Do you understand me? Forget all these people. I watched some of them yesterday. I was watching them where they were in Ekiti. They were bringing their head like this for them to see them. Do you understand me? If you had watched that television yesterday, you will laugh. How can somebody from a royal home is not bringing out his head? Please, if you shall allow me, let them see me small. It's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. But we thank God. We're waiting for them. They are holding their own rallies in their palace. Come. Tell them to come. Let them come out. Then we'll teach them a bigger
lesson.
Bora, Bora, hey. Nobody gets him like we do. Bora, Bora, hey. Nobody gets him like we do. This election of presidency is about integrity. This election of presidency is about keeping to our words.
Now so.
This election of our president is to tell them, who are you? We must know, who are you? If we agree something with you, can you keep to it? If you cannot keep to this, bye-bye. Fa, fa, fa. So, it's not about, oh, River State, they said they will sack me. I've been waiting patiently. Chief Abusha, I've been waiting, I've been waiting patiently. The day they will announce it, then they will know Kaki no be.
Later.
Then they will know Kaki no be.
Later.
It's not to go on media, to use their television houses and electronic media and print media to abuse us. Don't worry about those abuses. We don't even care. Don't even listen. Say it. Say it. Then you know who asks you who is your mother and your father. You know the Rivers people, we can't joke with them. Do you understand me? Say it. Say it. And see what will happen to you. See what will happen to you. Already you are not together. Then when you say it, you'll be buried. Say it and be buried forever.
Wicked don't mind them. Don't mind them.
So I thank you. What is required now, having come here, you now go back with what your leaders will tell you on how to do the vote, on how to campaign. It is very, very important. I'm not going to come out here to tell you the strategies, but your leadership has been told what to tell you and how to go about it. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
We don't want these armed robbers to know. You know, when armed robbers know you're at home, they may not come. Do you understand me? Or they'll go and get prepared. So we don't want to tell them what our strategies are. But we will win this election, win it very, very well. Very, very well.